Hello, hey, Sid Hummy with Brickfront Properties. It's hot as shit today. We're over here at this project and we're replacing the roof. Had to replace all the plywood. It was 2 layers on there, a lot of rotted wood. We replaced the fascia board, put the new gutters, put the new downspouts, and a new soffit in the front and back. And then wrap everything around the chimney to make sure it's all sealed up. But yeah, where we are? We're in Indian Head, Maryland. It's a little project we picked up. So yeah, Brickfront Properties and Construction. You guys need any type of roofing done, any type of plumbing done, electrical, that's what we do. Focus on that. We buy, fix, and sell houses. Buy, fix, and sell houses. That's what we've been doing for years. Been a home inspector for years. Been in construction close to 30 years. And we got a sign up here for sale. So yeah, front. Now all this stuff will be done. All the rotted wood, everything's comes out of there. New fascia, new soft in the front, and you know, wrap these windows with aluminum here. Wrap those windows in the front, and then wrap the door. This is cool in here. A little cooler in here. Okay. So the walls are ready to be sanded. They'll be sanded one more time. A couple of lumps here. Okay. Crown molding is in. Window trim is in. Door's been wrapped. They gotta finish the baseboard down here. All right, half a bathroom. Okay, toilet still works. And the guys upstairs were doing ceramic tile work today. Okay, the lights are going in today too. Hello, hello. You still talking? See? Eddie's a little bipolar, so he talks to himself. Huh? No. I said Eddie is bipolar, so you talk to yourself. You don't know what that means, huh? Right, that's why I could say it. Huh? Okay, so how much, you said the grout is good for 1 bathroom?
Yeah.
So what you,
This is full already.
oh, this is gray, so just use this one. Just use the gray, because it got gray floor. Did he use that chemical? I told him to use the chemical first, before you apply the grout. Did he do that?
Yeah.
Good. Gordita.
Hey, señor.
How you doing, mamacita? Hey, make sure you clean the tub. Robinson, don't fuck up the tub. Clean the tub. It's a new tub. All right. Yeah, making progress. So we got the property. We don't have it on the market, but we've already gotten a couple of interest from some of the local homeowners asking about the property. And we want to make sure we take an applicant that conventional loan would be good, or a VA loan. But like a FHA loan could cause some concerns. I mean, things. And then, people have these first-time home buyer programs. So you have to just look at every applicant carefully and take the strongest one that's going to be able to close quickly without any headache. Okay? So Brickfront Properties and Construction, Sid Hamid. Give us a call if you guys looking to get a project done. If you need electrical work, you need drywall work, you need plumbing work, you need a new kitchen. This is gonna be the new kitchen right here. This is what we do. LV floors. If you want some floors installed, give us a call. Thank you.